I'm Mirela Rus. I'm a Romanian living in Split for 5 years now with my partner Leonard and our 3 cats. They are around us now. We have a small business here, 2 shops currently in Split where we sell our own handmade jewelry. My husband is the one making them. Obviously we are now closed. It's a roller coaster, but I suppose that's it for everybody in these times. In Croatia, the measures taken are very good. It's not just me saying this. I saw an Oxford research a paper saying the same, that we implemented the best measures in the world. And yes, they are strict, but I'm happy they are, because that's the only way to deal with that. I'm happy also that people around us started to understand that this is serious and they should stay home. I know that like drinking coffee outside, it's an institution here in Split, for instance, but I'm happy that people understood that they have to drink their coffee, like me, here at home until this is over. In Romania, a lot of people are thinking how to make money out of this crisis. So it's a chaos in terms of hospital acquisitions. Doctors have not enough equipment. It's not a centralized buy. I would have felt much better if my mother, who is 81 years old, it was just the other day her birthday, was here with me because I fear for her life back in Romania. She's also living alone. My coping mechanism during this period is cooking. So since we are at home, I cook a lot. I was cooking before that as well, but because of the business and everything else, obviously I wasn't doing that every day, but now pretty much I'm cooking every day. And one thing that will probably happen is we will be out of this crisis with empty pockets, but with a few kilos more. I would have really preferred to be the other way around, but that's it. And I didn't really learn different things about the others around me, but I've learned that we need each other more than ever, and that actually we are not alone. And this pause that we've been like given forcibly, even it's helping us reconnect more, even from a distance. I don't know how to explain that better, but this is how I feel it.